Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we set default font size in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to set guys your default font size and guys you want to adjust guys your default size in your Infinix phone device. So how can you adjust? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So open your phone setting to guys set your default font size in your Infinix phone device. After on phone setting, as you can see this type of setting, then guys click on guys your phone display and brightness, and friends click on font size. So friends you can see guys your font size guys. So my second option is default option. Friends you can see default font size guys, you can see preview, and friends come back. Friends you can see font size will default, and guys you can see your default font size in your Infinix phone device guys, you can use it. So like that guys we can set guys Infinix phone default font size. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on the next video guys.